What's up everyone, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you a great package to make your day trips even easier. This package is available in both black and chrome, so there is a color scheme to match your motorcycle. First up, we have the mid-frame air deflector. This fits perfectly between your touring motorcycle frame and side panels to direct engine heat away from the rider and improve comfort on hot summer rides. Next, we have this mid-size passenger backrest pad, Sissy bar upright and 4-point docking hardware kit. The docking kit allows you to attach the Sissy bar upright to your motorcycle. The backrest pad, which features a gentle curved shape that cradles the spine and provides hours of passenger comfort, fits securely onto the Sissy bar upright. The final piece in this package is the heel shifter. Eliminate the need to wedge your toe under the lever and reduce wear and tear to the front of your riding shoe. Easily upshift with a downward tap of your heel. For these and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.